Have you noticed something strange happening lately on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels? I mean, really strange. Channels with baby characters, funny talking monkeys, cats telling stories, even gorillas giving motivational speeches. And somehow, they're getting millions and millions of views. At first, I thought, okay, maybe it's just another random internet trend. But then I started digging deeper, and what I discovered honestly shocked me. Most of these viral videos aren't made by big influencers. They're not made by huge studios, and many of them don't even have a human creator behind the camera. They're made by AI characters. Yes, you heard that right. AI-generated characters are quietly taking over short-form video platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. And some of these channels are making serious money. One AI animal channel has already crossed hundreds of millions of views. Another channel built around a simple monkey character reportedly generates thousands of dollars every month. And the craziest part? There's no camera, no filming, no actors, no expensive studio, just AI characters and a proven viral format. Now here's the problem. Until recently, creating videos like this was complicated. You needed multiple AI tools. You had to write scripts, animate characters, generate voiceovers, edit everything together. And sometimes it could cost $30, $40, even $50 just to render a single video, which made it slow, expensive, and honestly, frustrating. But now, there's a shortcut. It's called ViralCharacters AI. This tool was designed specifically for creators who want to make viral AI character videos quickly and easily. Instead of juggling 5 different tools, ViralCharacters AI lets you create an entire video in just a few clicks. Here's how it works. Step 1, you choose your character. A baby, a monkey, a dog, a cat, a motivational gorilla, a celebrity parody, or even your own AI avatar. Yes, even Bigfoot if you want. Step 2, you click Generate, and the AI does the rest. It automatically writes the script, animates the character, adds emotions, creates realistic voiceovers, synchronizes the lip movements, and optimizes the pacing for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Then, within about 20 to 40 seconds, your entire video is ready. Seriously, from idea to finished viral-ready video in under a minute. Now imagine posting these consistently. 1 video per day, 3 videos per day, maybe even 10. That's exactly how many of these viral channels are growing so fast, because the algorithm loves content that keeps people watching. And these AI characters trigger powerful human reactions. Babies trigger cuteness, animals trigger humor, celebrities trigger familiarity, and those emotional reactions tell the algorithm, hey, people love this, so the platform pushes the video to more people. Thousands of views turn into hundreds of thousands, and sometimes millions. Now, of course, nothing online is ever guaranteed. Not every video goes viral, but the creators who win are the ones who test different formats quickly. And that's exactly where ViralCharacters AI becomes powerful. Instead of spending hours editing one video, you can create dozens, test different characters, different ideas, different storytelling styles. And when one finally hits, it can explode. So, if you're a content creator, a YouTuber, or someone who wants to grow on TikTok or Instagram, this might be one of the most interesting opportunities in the AI content space right now. AI characters are still a very new trend, which means the people who start early often get the biggest advantage. So, if you're curious about experimenting with this, check out ViralCharacters AI and see what it can do. Test some ideas, create a few characters, post some videos, and who knows, your next upload might be the one that suddenly takes off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.